Ever worried about your documents getting copied without permission? Or struggled to establish clear ownership of your work? Watermarks offer a simple solution. These semi transparent images or text not only protect your work but also serve as a branding tool, adding a unique touch to your documents. And the best part, adding watermarks in Google Docs is as easy as pie. Let me show you how. Head up to the Insert menu, look for the option that says Watermark, and give it a click. It will open a new sidebar on the right hand side. You have got two options, image or text. Let's start with images. Click on Select Image. It opens a new pop-up window where you have different options to upload your image. You can directly upload an image from your computer. You can use the webcam to capture a new image. You can upload it using a link. You can upload it from your Google Photos. You can upload it from your Google Drive. You can also go to Google Images and search for the images from Google. I will choose this logo from my drive and click Insert. You can see that the logo is visible on our document. You can adjust the size of the logo and also decide if you want it to be faded or unfaded. Below it, we also have more image options. When you click that, you will find more options to customize the image. If you don't have an image, no worries. Text watermarks are just as awesome. Head over to the Text tab. Here, in this text box, type in whatever you want your watermark to say. You can add your company name, or if you want to just tell the reader that it's confidential and it cannot be shared with others, just type confidential and you can see it on the document. You can also change the font of this text, increase its size, choose it to be bold, italic, or you can also change the color. You can decide the transparency of this particular text. You can choose it to be diagonal or horizontal. And you can also decide the placement of this text, if you want it to be behind the text or in front of the text. So there you have it. Watermarks are like the cherry on top of your documents. A small touch that makes a big impact. Before I wrap up this video, let me share a seriously cool tool for presentations. It is called Slides AI, a Google Slides add-on that basically does the heavy lifting for you. Just give Slides AI some basic info or a topic, pick your slide preferences, and boom, it generates beautiful slides with text, images, and layouts. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like this video and share it with others. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.